What's up, guys? Time for a little shop update. Firstly, we did go racing this weekend. We went to Johnson City, Tennessee and hit up Muddy Creek for at least the first day, the practice day and the first race day of the Kawasaki Team Green Tennessee State Championship race. It falls on my birthday every year. I try to go as much as I can. Had a great time. It was super hot, but just me and the little brother went. We enjoyed it. I'm a couple events behind on my vlogs. I still haven't got up my High Point vlog, so I'm not going to put this Tennessee State Championship vlog out quite yet. Give me a few days. Sorry about that. The editing is, it's killing me. But I have all the footage. I have every single helmet cam video from both my motos, from all 4 of my practices. So I've got some cool stuff. I did have a pretty bad get off in my second moto on Saturday. So I have all that on camera. Actually couldn't finish out the day. I have YZ125 tire marks at my side. I'll show you guys a picture of that and stuff. But we are back from Muddy Creek now, and this is just a little update of what we got going on in the shop. All right, for starters, my 14 practice bike. I was actually racing this because I let the little brother ride the 16. Yeah, that's a long story, but I was actually racing this, and they were watering the track, and it was super slippery. I ended up going down, twisted up my bars and clamps and everything. This is being picked up any day, so I had to straighten the bars and clamps. I've got some levers and stuff to remove, a skid plate to remove, so he can pick this up in the next couple of days. This will be gone. It's kind of a weird feeling for me because it's been a long time since I've had just a single 450, but I've got some family obligations. I've got to pay some stuff. So we'll see in the fall. We'll see where we are about getting another 450. But for now, just going to run one for the moment. So, okay, anything, what we got going on here? Brandon brought his Pitster Pro over. It's got a busted stator case, stator cover. Somebody broke that right there, so can't really wash it. So we're waiting for that to come in from Pitster Pro. The TTR, just got to throw the chain and sprockets and the tire on, do a little fine tuning on the carb, it's good to go. The 230, just kind of been on the back burner. We've got to get a tank and an exhaust, and money's just hasn't been there for that project yet, but it's coming up, don't worry. 250 and the DR 650, yeah, we rode those about 50 miles around Boone Lake this weekend in Johnson City, had a blast on those things, they're good to go. Virago, I've still got to get that thing going. It's on the list. Bayou, don't even want to talk about it. My 2-strokes are just odds and ends. This one, there's really nothing wrong with this one. It's good to go. It's just my most pristine one. I really don't want to ride it. This one right here just doesn't have a Kickstarter on it. Needs a rear fender. Besides that, it's good. This is the one that, of course, you guys saw just fixed. It's going to be my off-road one. I'm getting ready to see if I can mount up the 16 fender on this 2-stroke, and actually we're going trail riding next Saturday, next Saturday the 28th. We're going to hit some trails, and I'm going to be taking the 2-stroke only, so I'm kind of leery about that. It's been a long time since I've been deep in the woods on just a 2-stroke, but should be fun. 16's all washed up. I've got a couple little graphic things I've got to do with it and shine it up. And there's, of course, Chris's bike and John's bike. So, yeah. Besides that, I got in a 02 YZ250 bottom end to redo. Waiting on the parts at the moment, but check out this crank. That's a lot of play, guys. So, getting a Wiseco bottom end kit, just like we did on the 2012 YZ250 we did. So of course we'll have breakdown build videos of all that, and besides that, just some cleaning up to do. I'm trying to debate on whether I was going to go to Pro Sport MX this weekend in Wytheville for the Mega Series practice. It's one of my favorite tracks. I only ride there a couple times a year. There's a lot of construction going on in around the tunnel area at the West Virginia line. I'm gonna have to take Weston if I do go, and I'm not really trying to get stuck in standstill traffic on the interstate with a 2-month-old. So that's still up in the air. I've got a couple more days to figure that out. But I really got a lot of stuff I need to do around the house anyway, so good chance we might stay home this weekend, try to get caught up on some stuff. Because like I said, the weekend after that is trail riding on Saturday and kayaking on Sunday. But yeah, thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for my High Point vlog, my Muddy Creek vlog, and I'm going to be posting up all the riding footage, the GoPro footage from this weekend. It's a couple of them are pretty cool, so be on the lookout for that. Thanks.